Good morning. Not my typical video today. I'm just doing a casual on my phone. I've not really been feeling it lately, but I gotta get a video out. So you're coming along with me to do errands and chores and whatever else I get into today on this Saturday. I am wearing one of my Run Disney fits when I wore for my last race. Just biker shorts, so nothing crazy. But this morning did a little yoga, read my book, had some coffee, and I am planning to go to the grocery store. But before I do that, I wanted to unbox something for you guys. Some fun hiking stuff, so let's do that. Okay. Pardon the lighting. So first off, this has nothing to do with hiking, but I did buy some Advil targeted relief gel because I've been experiencing like some neck pain back here, and I think it's because my posture is so bad and I've been just like sleeping on it badly. So I'm gonna work on that. But I bought it and then I haven't used it because the pain went away. So I'm gonna keep it just because you never know when you're gonna have more issues. I also have been slacking my workouts. I started a March workout video collage thing. I don't know what else to call it. And I did one for February and then I got injured. Injured meaning falling. And then I was gonna do one for March and like really kick it off. I like starting workout plans on Saturdays. I just feel like Saturdays is the best day because then I get 2 days of like no excuses basically from work, making me tired and not wanting to work out. So, and it was also March 1st on the Saturday. So I was like, this is great. And I got like 1 or 2 workouts in and then I haven't done any since. And it is now Saturday the 15th. Did a little yoga this morning, like I said. But I just haven't been filming anymore since. So I think I'm just gonna scratch that idea for March and start over in April. If you wanna see those videos, the one from February and then the one I'm gonna obviously start in April, I have been toying around and playing around with a members channel type thing. If you wanna check it out. I don't have too much on there. But I'm planning on doing like at least once a month a members only video. I threw out a bunch at the beginning thinking like maybe it would intrigue people to join, but I realized I haven't mentioned it at all on my channel other than in my description of my videos. So here's my official announcement. I do have a members only portion. Some of the membership offerings are getting early access to videos. I always make them members first before I make them to everyone. Depending on what level you're at, you could get a shout out at the end of my video. You might get access to those members only videos that I'm never gonna make public. Yeah, whatever. And you get a lot of say on like extra videos and like topics and things, because I ask on there like what you guys want to see. So if you have any interest in that, definitely check out the description to learn more about it. Hit the join button. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already to this channel. Just a simple like and a comment and a subscription to my free channel helps out as well. But anywho, back to what I was saying. I haven't been doing my workouts and I thought back to my old days when I would work out at 5 a.m. before work. What helped me to do that and what helped me to train for all of my first few races that I did before I did Disney races, and that was pre-workout. So I got some Alani Nu pre-workout and we're gonna try it out. I've never used it. I usually use the Vega like plant-based one, but I wanted to try Alani Nu out, so we're gonna try that. That was a long-winded explanation. And then we got a little REI box. So nothing too crazy from REI. They did send me a like thing. If I sign up for text, I get 20% off. So I'm gonna keep that. But like I have mentioned, I am trying to do the Foothills Trail this summer. If it's fully open, I'm making that caveat. If it's fully open, if it's not fully open, I'm not gonna do it. But I figured since it's summer, I'm probably gonna need a bug net. So I got a head net from Sea to Summit. It's supposed to have insect shield on it. I don't know what that means. I've never tried hiking in one of these. So we'll definitely try that in a video before we get out on the Foothills Trail. That's the first thing I got. Following along with that same theme, I got some bug spray for the Foothills Trail this summer as well. Also hiking in Florida, you know, helpful. Oh my gosh, is that bugs inside of here? Oh no, it's their wrapping. I thought that that was bugs inside. It's just the print. Oh my God, that freaked me out. I was like, ew. And then the other two things are very similar. Oh no, I got three things left. Okay, so the other two things are pretty similar. A lot of my hiking socks from the AT that I bought for that through hike attempt were like very thick merino wool because I was hiking in February and March and I wanted my feet to be warm. But I wear those to hike down here in Florida and my feet are always like dying because they're so thick. So I figured I would give a try to some thinner socks for hiking down here, and then also if they work out to bring them on the Foothills Trail with me. So I got a pair of Darn Tough. It is the lightweight version. It has a little goat on it. I thought they were cute. And then I got a different version. It's still, oh no, this is mid-weight, but it is a Cool Max. I don't know, we'll see. They were on sale. We'll try it out. I'll let you know about these things. And then the last thing I'm very excited about on the AT hiking, one of the big things that I pretty much wore every single day was my buff. And then I picked up another buff when we went into Franklin. If y'all don't know, in Franklin, there's a wonderful, 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 what's it called? There's a wonderful Outfitters called Outdoor 76, and they give out free buffs to hikers, or through hikers, I should say. So I have those too, but I wanted something that was a little bit thinner for, again, hiking in Florida, because I've tried wearing those in Florida. It's just so hot. And then obviously I figure going up to the Foothills, I would want to try that. So I bought this buff. It's supposed to be like UV cooling, or UV and cooling. And then, is this the one with the insect? No, I didn't get the one with the insect shield. But there was one that had like insect shield on it. And I was thinking about getting that one too. But I don't know, I thought it was pretty coloring. Some flowers on it. I don't know. So that's my little REI haul. I just wanted to quickly unbox that because I feel like I've been holding on to it and want to start using some of it, but I wanted to add it into a video here. So there we go. But I'm gonna head, here's the game plan. I'm gonna head to Publix, get some groceries for the week. I am pretty soon going to be going on a cruise, and so I'm not trying to buy too much, but I'm gonna get some groceries to hold me over until I go on that cruise. And I guess I'll show you guys what I get when I get back. I don't know, this is just a random video. It has nothing to do with hiking. I'll be back to hiking content next week. All right, let's try and do this haul quick. We got grapes. We got breakfast sandwiches. We got 2 different kinds of cheese. We got these little guys for my roommate requested them. We got 3 different lean cuisines. I like having those for work purposes, and I haven't been getting them. I also tried this Althea falafel thing a couple weeks ago when they were on sale, and they are the bomb diggity, especially the, is it tomato one? Is that what it is? Tomato flavored? Yes, roasted red peppers and tomato. I also saw this Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl thing. I've never seen this before, so I'm gonna try it. I got a thing of iced coffee in hopes that I will not go to Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts this week. I got a gift card for one of my friends or slash coworkers slash friends' birthday coming up. Glad I remembered to get that so I don't have to do it later. More of these guys for my roommate. 2 things of bread because they were on sale, and if they're on sale, then it's for me. 4 things of protein chips. Now these were a last minute purchase. I wasn't planning on getting these, and then I wanted to film a clip in the grocery store, and these ended up in my cart, and I decided to keep them in said cart. They're delicious. 2 things of romaine lettuce. Garlic cloves. Sherry wine vinegar. Dried cranberries, the 50% less sugar kind. This was also an impulse buy, ramen noodles. A little hiking for you, hey, hey. Pickles to go with my grilled cheese that I'm gonna make. Random baggie, okay. Some hand sanitizer for my cruise coming up because I'm not trying to get sick on said cruise. Facial cleanser because we were out. Pecans. Mustard because we were out. Croutons for my salad. And another impulse buy, Sleep Ollie gummies. And that's everything that I bought from Publix. So the game plan is I'm gonna put all of this away in there, and then I wanna try the Alani Nu pre-workout, hopefully get a workout in before lunch. I do have some leftovers from last night, so I'll probably eat that for lunch. And then I don't know what else I'm gonna get into. Y'all, I need some help with some video ideas. I don't know whether this video is coming before or after, but I did a like point of view hiking. So I just did like me hiking. I didn't talk at all. I thought that could be interesting. I haven't edited it yet, so I have no clue if it's coming out, when it's coming out, if it's already out, or if it's coming out next. I also, for my members only, I was thinking about doing a quick like either like montage of my cruise that I'm going on. So if you want to see that, sign up for my members because I'm pretty sure I'm going to do it. And then I don't know what else to do. I feel like just like day hikes, but I feel like those videos, the day hike videos, just straight up like no topics, like people aren't as interested in. And I mean, I can still do them because I'm going to be going on a lot more day hikes now that race training is over, but I don't know. Do you guys have any specific questions? Like maybe I can do like dedicated hikes and answer like questions, like a Q&A. I don't know. I need help. I need help. Until I go on the Foothills Trail, it's day hikes and whatever else I can come up with and whatever else you guys can come up with. So drop them in the comments.